Explorers of the unknown, welcome back. Let's expand our horizons with today's question.
Yes, it is possible to get paid to text men, primarily through various online platforms and services designed for socializing and entertainment. These platforms often cater to people looking for conversation, companionship, or entertainment. Before signing up, ensure the platform is reputable and ensures your safety and privacy. Payments can vary based on the platform, the time spent texting, and sometimes the content of the conversations. It's important to research and understand the terms and conditions, including how and when you'll be paid, to ensure it aligns with your expectations and comfort level.
Our quest for knowledge never ends. Thanks for being part of today's discovery. Subscribe, like, and share to join us on the next one.